To install a truck bed liner, first remove any lashing rails that may have been installed. Drill the holes for the lashing rail screws on the liner. Using a step drill, expand the holes to a diameter of 24 millimeters. Then vacuum away the shavings. Install the mounting plates with spacers, washers, centering washers and screws on both sides. Note the torque. Attach the cover caps. However, do not remove the protective film of the mounting plates yet. Clean the truck bed. In addition, thoroughly wipe the surfaces to be glued with isopropyl alcohol. Now take the protective film off the dampers and stick them onto the truck bed as shown. Next, clean the adhesive areas of the sealing cords with isopropyl alcohol. Cut the 6 sealing cords to the interior dimensions of the truck bed. Remove the protective film and stick on the cords as shown. Also clean the upper edge of the front wall and the rear edge of the bed with alcohol. Apply primer to the cleaned areas. Next, clean the adhesive surfaces on the upper corners of the sidewall. Apply primer here too. Next, remove the socket cover using a suitable tool. Clean the surfaces next to the power outlet with isopropyl alcohol. Then attach 2 spacers on the left and the right. As soon as the primer has dried, install the bed liner with the help of 2 colleagues. Lift the middle part slightly to simplify installation. Now remove the protective film from both sides of the mounting plates and press the corners of the liner against the bed. Place the seal centrally on the edge of the liner at the front wall. Remove the protective film and press down the seal using a roller. Next, place the seal at the rear end of the bed liner, remove the film and press it against the bottom of the bed with a roller. The tailgate cover is next. Place a seal at the top and the bottom. Unscrew the 6 screws shown and dispose of them. Clean the adhesive surfaces of the seals again with isopropyl alcohol. Don't forget the areas around the screw holes. Then apply primer to the adhesive surfaces of the seals. Remove the protective film from the spacers. Adhere the 6 spacers around the holes as shown. Fold over a tab of the protective film on each ceiling rail. Install and align the cover. Fasten it with the screws and washers provided in the installation kit. Now you can carefully remove both protective films. Press the adhesive surfaces against the side of the tailgate with a roller. Now insert the 4 covers on the sides. And place the rubber cover on the socket opening. Reinstall the lashing rails. First, replace the thin washers with the thicker ones. Observe the torque when mounting. Finish the work by fitting the lashing rings.